Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sledgehammer Performance. We just got done cleaning up the Corvette because we are going to go to a car show tomorrow, May 16th, over at Odell Collision Center. Corvette's all shined up and we are ready to go to make a big appearance. Before I go though, I wanted to show you my wrench that I inherited from my great-grandfather, EKB. He always put his initials on everything that he owned, which I thought was kind of cool. And the fact that I own a bunch of wrenches with his name on it just makes me feel great because they're still turning nuts about 70 years later. Okay, let's run. So we're out here at Odell Collision. Pretty good turnout so far. Beautiful day. So we are expecting, I'm guessing, 50 cars here or so today, but hopefully more show up. Because I think there's going to be a big crowd coming from the Cars and Coffee up in Hudson at Bill Caldwell Ford. So we'll just kind of wait around and see, and we'll get some nice drone videos here pretty soon.